Welcome to ID8 Incorporated short blog presentation on Soffit Cleanup. My name's Jim Cowan. I'll be your host for this presentation. ID8 is part of a small group of Autodesk value-added resellers worldwide that have achieved Platinum Tier status. We were the awarded Dealer of the Year for 2015. ID8 offers both pre- and post-sales assistance from experienced industry professionals. Today's blog covers really two topics: the way that you can modify layers within wall or ceiling types, specifically what you do to adjust things within the structural core, and then how you can join geometry to clean up the graphics between those things that are in the structural core. I've got a ceiling and I want to control the connection between the blocking and the ceiling itself. If I have a look at this in section, you can see that what I've got is a wall that I've defined as a 4.5 inch partition bulkhead, and what it has are the gypsum board as a finish, the structure internally between the core boundary. Same thing on the ceiling itself. If I look at that, the gypsum board unfurring has the same finish and the structure, and you might have expected it to clean up there, but that's not how it works. And so what I want to show you is how to fix this so that you get a nice clean connection between the gypsum board as it turns the corner here. Right now, if I look at this in 3D, it looks like this on the corners. So let me go back to my section view here. What I want to show you is the trick is to take the gypsum board and put it between the core boundary. That way you'll be able to join it. I'm going to move the structural part of it, move that down. So really what I've got is just gypsum wallboard lies between the core boundary rows. Same thing on the bottom is that I'm going to take my compound ceiling and I'm going to move the gypsum board up between. There has to be something between the core boundary, but now I'm going to move the structure up. So I've got just gypsum wallboard between that. So now they lie like this in my project. And what I can do is I can now go to the option where I say join geometry, and it joins the objects that lie within the structural core. So if I do join that ceiling with that, then what I've got is a nice clean turning of the corner. And if I go back to my 3D view, you can see how I was able to adjust that corner. So once I've fixed all four corners, I get the finish that I want in my interior. Thank you for joining me for today's blog on Soffit Cleanup. For more information on ID8's online and live training at our Autodesk authorized training center locations, or just to stay up to date on the latest news, please visit our website, check out our blog, or follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. Have a great day.